Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is One Nation, One Election approved. The Union Cabinet has approved the One Nation, One Election proposal. It aims to hold simultaneous elections for the Lok Sabha, state assemblies and local bodies. The plan has been a key promise of the NDA government since it came to power in 2014. Union Home Minister Amit Shah recently confirmed the government's intention to implement it within this term. A high-powered committee chaired by former President Ram Nath Kovind was formed in 2023 to explore its feasibility. Key features of the proposal: simultaneous elections will take place for the Lok Sabha, all state assemblies, municipalities and panchayats. The plan is intended to reduce the frequency of elections and lower the financial burden on the exchequer. Critics argue that it may challenge federalism, while supporters see it as a way to enhance efficiency. The proposal has received backing from NDA allies like JDU and LJP. Challenges and concerns: political parties express concerns about how simultaneous elections might affect regional autonomy. Logistical challenges include aligning election terms across various states and local bodies. Opposition parties worry that the centralization of elections may dilute regional issues. Constitutional amendments would be necessary to implement this plan, requiring broad political consensus. Future implications: if passed, One Nation, One Election could alter India's electoral landscape significantly. It would decrease election fatigue among voters and politicians by reducing the number of election cycles. It may lead to longer-term policy planning by reducing the focus on constant electioneering. Economically, it could save significant resources spent on conducting multiple elections over time. Now it's time for the practice question. Who chaired the committee to explore the feasibility of the One Nation, One Election proposal? Narendra Modi, Ram Nath Kovind, Amit Shah, Arvind Kejriwal. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.